Transform your Word online documents from bland to brilliant by mastering the art of multiple columns to elevate your newsletters and brochures. First, ensure you have your text ready in Word Online and select the portion of your document you wish to format into columns. Navigate to the Layout tab in your Word Online ribbon here. You'll find the Columns option. Click on Columns to reveal a drop-down menu with several preset column layouts for a standard 2-column format. Simply click on 2. Instantly, your selected text will be divided into 2 neat columns, improving readability and giving your document a more professional look. For greater control, select more columns to access advanced formatting options. In this dialog box, you can specify the exact number of columns you need, adjust the spacing between them, and choose whether to apply the changes to your selected text or the entire document. Experiment with different layouts like 3 columns or even asymmetric 2-column options to best suit your content and design goals. By utilizing the column feature, you can dramatically enhance the visual appeal and organization of any document, from flyers to reports, making your information more digestible and engaging for your readers.